Christ the Redeemer is one of the new seven wonders of the world. This massive statue of Jesus Christ stands at the top of Mount Corcovado in Rio de Janeiro, Brazil. This towering statue, with its arms wide open, is a symbol of peace, love, and unity, welcoming millions of visitors from around the globe. Traveling to Christ the Redeemer is not just a trip to see an iconic monument, it's a chance to experience the breathtaking beauty of Rio and immerse yourself in a vibrant culture. One of the biggest draws of Christ the Redeemer is the incredible panoramic view of Rio de Janeiro. Standing 2,300 feet above sea level, the summit of Mount Corcovado offers breathtaking vistas of Rio's most famous landmarks, including Sugarloaf Mountain, Copacabana Beach, Ipanema, and the lush Tijuca Forest. The view alone makes the trip worth it. The statue was officially completed and inaugurated on October the 12th, 1931. Christ the Redeemer represents the strong influence of Christianity in Brazil, a predominantly Catholic country. It's a symbol of peace, protection, and welcome for the city of Rio and a reminder of faith for millions of people. It stands as a beacon of hope and a cultural landmark that transcends religion, representing the city's openness to all. If you want to take your experience to the next level, book a helicopter tour to fly around Christ the Redeemer and Rio's coastline. The aerial perspective offers a new way to appreciate both the statue and the city's stunning landscape. Christ the Redeemer statue facts. The statue itself is a masterpiece of engineering and art. Standing at 98 feet tall with an arm span of 92 feet, the statue is made from reinforced concrete and soapstone. Its scale is monumental, and standing beneath it, you'll truly feel its grandeur. The statue of Christ the Redeemer weighs a massive 635 tons. It's so heavy and large that it can be seen from almost anywhere in Rio. It was built in France. Although Christ the Redeemer stands in Brazil, parts of the statue were actually built in France and then transported to Brazil. The head and hands were sculpted by French artist Paul Landowski and shipped to Rio to be assembled. While Christ the Redeemer is one of the most famous statues of Jesus Christ, it's not the largest. The tallest statue of Jesus is in Sugarloaf, Poland, standing at 118 feet. Survived lightning strikes. Due to its height and location, Christ the Redeemer has been struck by lightning several times. In 2014, one such strike damaged the right thumb of the statue, but it was quickly restored. Christ the Redeemer is more than just a statue. It's a symbol of hope, unity, and peace that stands watch over one of the most vibrant and beautiful cities in the world. Whether you're drawn by the religious significance, the awe-inspiring architecture, or the breathtaking views of Rio de Janeiro, visiting Christ the Redeemer is a life-changing experience. From the moment you ascend Mount Corcovado and stand beneath the outstretched arms of Christ, you'll feel an overwhelming sense of wonder and awe. If you want my real reviews and new videos to some of the world's best destinations, like and subscribe.